Mars. Who can reach the red planet and what health challenges lie ahead? Imagine a world where humanity's next home is not on Earth, but on the rust-colored surface of Mars. While the dream of colonizing the red planet is tantalizing, the reality is far more complex. The path to Mars is not just about technology. It's a race against time, biology, and the limits of human endurance. A 2016 image shows Sarah Jane Pell in a spacesuit simulating lunar conditions in Marseille, France. This glimpse into the future highlights the physical and psychological toll of space travel. But here's where it gets controversial. While Mars may one day be a sanctuary for humans, the journey there is fraught with medical hurdles that could leave many behind. The astronaut selection process is a strict filter designed to identify individuals whose bodies can withstand the extreme demands of space. Conditions like smoking, autoimmune diseases, sleep apnea, and even asthma are often disqualifying. As Shona Pandya, an astronaut researcher, explains, once, children with type 1 diabetes would hear from their doctors, "You can be anything you want except an astronaut." This isn't just about fitness, it's about survival. Life in microgravity aboard the International Space Station ISS strains bones, muscles, and organs, increasing risks of osteoporosis, insulin resistance, and cognitive decline. The astronauts are chosen for resilience, not for their average health. But the real challenge lies ahead. Mars is a harsher environment than Earth. Its thin atmosphere, toxic dust, and 40% weaker gravity mean that even the strongest bodies may struggle. NASA aims to send humans to Mars by the 2030s, but the journey itself could take 9 months, with prolonged exposure to radiation and isolation. A single medical emergency during this time might leave astronauts stranded. No return trip for treatment. The twin study conducted in 2019 offers a glimpse into the unknown. Astronaut Scott Kelly spent a year in space while his twin Mark remained on Earth. The results were startling. Scott's telomeres, the protective caps on chromosomes, lengthened in space, suggesting potential DNA damage. He also experienced cardiovascular changes and temporary cognitive impairments upon return. If the best of the best face such challenges, what does that mean for the rest of us? As space tourism becomes more accessible, civilians like Jeff Bezos and Katy Perry are now joining astronauts in orbit. This opens new doors for medical research, but 10 minutes in space is nothing compared to the 9-month journey to Mars. The Martian environment is even more hostile. No breathable air, no vegetation, and radiation levels far higher than on Earth. The future of space medicine is still being written. Programs like UCLA's Space Nursing Initiative and Europe's Master's Program in Space Health aim to prepare medical professionals for extended missions. AI is already being tested to assist astronauts in diagnosing emergencies, but data limitations pose a problem. Models based on male-dominated astronaut samples may fail to account for physiological differences in women, a gap that researchers like Weinersmith warn could lead to critical errors. Yet, the stakes are high. Mars colonization isn't just about survival. It's about ensuring humanity's long-term existence. As Aintablian puts it, the biggest problem we need to solve is our species' guaranteed survival. Mars is the logical answer. But what if the risks outweigh the rewards? What if the first space pregnancy or birth reveals unforeseen dangers? The answer lies in research. NASA's upcoming Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog Experiment will simulate Mars conditions on Earth, studying the effects of isolation and altered gravity. Meanwhile, innovations like continuous glucose monitors could help diabetics manage their condition in space, offering insights that benefit Earth-based patients. Ultimately, the journey to Mars is a test of human ingenuity. It's not just about reaching the red planet. It's about understanding the limits of our bodies and pushing beyond them. As we stand on the edge of this new frontier, one question lingers. Are we ready to face the unknown, or will we remain earthbound?